Today we'll use another method to solve the linear equations, that is called method of elimination. So last time we learned about method of substitutions. Today we will learn method of elimination. Okay, see now. Suppose we got a question 2x plus 3y is 4. Solve the following equations by elimination method. Okay. Suppose your first question is 2x plus 3y equals to 4. 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Then 3x minus 2y is 7. 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Okay, you arrange it first. Look at here. What are you going to do? 2x plus 3y equals to 4, equation number 1. 3x minus 2y equals to 7, equation number 2. Elimination method means you have to equalize the coefficients. Means coefficient of x is 2, x is 3. Do a cross multiplication. 3 you multiply here, 2 you multiply here. Because 3 2 is 6, it will become 2 3 is 6 also it will become. Means you have to equalize it. We are equalizing this part. How to equalize? Very simple way to remember. 3 just cross. 3 you multiply here, 2 you multiply here. So what do you get? Now you get 3 2 will be 6x plus 9y. 3 is 9y equals to 12. This will be 2 3 6x minus 4y equals to 15. Okay. Now after this we will make it opposite side. You have to subtract here. This is minus. Whatever sign is here, you have to make it opposite. So you cancel. Plus means you have to subtract here. Then plus will be minus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus. Now this is for this term, this is the new sign. That means plus 6x minus 6x cancel. Now 9y plus 4y, 13y. 13y equals to 12 minus 14 minus 2. So y equals to minus 2 by 13. We got the first value. Now you can put the value of y in one of this equation, either in 1 or in 2. Putting the value of y in, suppose I choose first equation, that will be 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Okay, so I will put here 2x 3 into minus 2 by 13 equals to 4. Then what do you get? Implies 2x plus into minus 6 by 13 equals to 4. Now take this like term to one side. Implies 2x equals to 4 plus 6 by 13. Implies 2x equals to 13 LCM. 13 4 is 52 plus 6. So implies 2x equals to 58 by 13. x equals to 58 by 13 into this 2 will come down. This is 29. 29 by 13. Therefore, we got two values. X equals to 29 by 13. Y equals to minus 2 by 13. Okay. Now let's take one more question. Suppose I'll take one more. Let's take one more question. That is, suppose 4 by okay. Let's take here 4 by x plus 5y. Question number 2 I am taking here. 4 by x plus 5y equals to 7. 3 by x plus 4y equals to 5. So look at, when you find the variable in the denominator, we will take a substitution. What substitution I will take here? Look at, suppose I take 1 leg. 1 by x equals to y is in the numerator, so no substitution. Substitute because x is in the denominator. So I will get 4u plus 5y equals to 7. Equation number 1. Then 3u plus 4y equals to 5. Equation number 2. Equalize again. Equalize the coefficient. So here you multiply 3, here you multiply 4. What do you get? The 12u plus 15y equals to 21. Again 12u plus 16y equals to 20. Okay, let me subtract. When you subtract, this will be minus, plus will be minus, plus will be minus. This plus 12 minus 12 cancelled. 15y minus 16y is minus y. 21 minus 20 is 1. Therefore, y equals to minus 1. Y equals to minus 1. Now putting the value of y in one of the equation. First equation suppose I will put, that is 4u plus 5y equals to 7. I will put here. Okay. Then 4u 5 into minus 1 equals to 7. So implies 4u minus 5 equals to 7. 4u equals to 7 plus 5. 4u equals to 12. U equals to 12 by 4. 3. So what did I get? I got u equals to 3. But we don't need to find u, we need to find x. X means 1 by x equals to u. Implies 1 by x equals to u means 3. So what shall I get? 3 means 3 by 1. Therefore, x equals to reciprocal 1 upon 3. Already I have got y equals to minus 1. Okay. This is one pattern. Suppose I take another type. Suppose I got a question. 2 by x, 2 by x plus 2 by 3y equals to 1/6. Okay, then I'll get 3 by x plus 2 by y, 3 by x plus 2 by y equals to 0. Okay, look here is 1 by x, here is 1 by y, so both substitution I have to do. Means let 1 by x equals to u, 1 by y equals to v. 1 by x equals to u, 1 by y equals to v. This will be how much? Look at here. 1 by x is u, so 2u plus 2 by 3, 1 by y is v, means 2 by 3v equals to 1 by 6. So the best method is remove the denominator. What is LCM here? 6. Multiply 6 to everything. So 6 into 2u plus 6 into 2 by 3v, 6 into 1 by 6. The 6 cancel. This is 2. 12u 4v equals to 1. This is our equation number 1. Okay, again look at here. 3 by x, second equation, and 3 by x. So 3 by x will be how much? 3u 2v equals to 0. Equation number 2. So below this you can write your first equation. 12u plus 4v equals to 1. So look at here. Equalize. There are various ways to equalize. If you multiply 3 here, then 12 here also it is okay. Or even you can multiply 4. 4 3s are 12. Then here is 1. But the one way to remember, do the cross. Cross means 12 you have to multiply here, 3 you have to multiply here. This is the easy method. So how much will you get? You are getting 36u plus 24v equals to 0. Again 36u plus 12v equals to 3. Now look at here, you have equalized. Subtract. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. This is cancelled. 24 minus 12 is 12v equals to 0 minus 3 minus 3. Then v equals to minus 3 by 12. So 1/4. Therefore v equals to minus 1 by 4. Now putting the value of v in one of the equation. Putting the value of v in, what shall I put? Now I can put in one of the equation. 3u plus 2v, 3u plus 2v equals to 0. Let's put here. How much will get? 3u plus 2 into minus 1 by 4. Because v is minus 1 by 4 equals to 0. This is cancelled here. Implies 3u equals to, this will go this side, 0 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. So u will be 1 by 2 into 3. 3 will come down. Then what did you get? Therefore u equals to 1 by 6. But you want to find x. U means what? 1 by x equals to 1 by 6. Implies reciprocal. X equals to 6. And v equals to minus 1 by 4. So v is 1 by y. So 1 by y equals to minus 1 by 4. Y equals to reciprocal minus 4. Okay, this is one question we did. See another one. Other one is, suppose I have got a question 5 by x minus 1, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals to 2 suppose, and 6 by x minus 1 plus, not plus, minus 3 by y minus 2 equals to 1. So observe this question. What are you getting? 5 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 equals to u. 1 by y minus 2 equals to v. So if I take make 1 by x minus 1 equals to u, 1 by y minus 2 equals to v. So see this one, this is 5u plus v, because 1 by y minus 2 is v, equals to 2. Equation number 1. This is 6u minus 3v equals to 1. Observe what you have to do. Equalize the coefficient. What you have to multiply? Cross. 6 I have to multiply here. 5 I have to multiply here. So directly I can write here 6. Here it is 5. So what will you get? So 6 5s are 30u plus 6v. 6v equals to 12. 30u minus 15v equals to 5. Now equalize. Minus, again minus. This is cancelled. 6 plus 15. How much? 21v equals to 12 minus 5 is 7. So v equals to 7 by 21. Therefore v equals to 1 by 3. Now putting same method. After finding v, put in one of the equation. Putting the value of v in where? Now we put here in this. So 5u plus 1 by 3 equals to 2. Implies 5u equals to 2 minus 1 by 3. This will come this side. Implies 5u equals to 2 3 is 6 minus 1 by 3. Okay. Then 5u equals to 5 by 3. This 5 will come down. U equals to 5 by 3 into 5. 1. So 1 by 3. Now u equals to 1 by 3, v equals to also 1 by 3. But what you will find out? But 1 by x minus 1 equals to u. This is what you have taken. Implies 1 by x minus 1 equals to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Then reciprocal, this will go up. x minus 1 equals to 3. This will go. Now take this 1 this side. X equals to 3 plus 1. X equals to 4. We got x equals to 4. Then find out v. 1 v equals to 1 by 3. What is v? Now 1 by y minus 2. V is 1 by y minus 2 equals to 1 upon 3. Again reciprocal. How much will gain? Y minus 2 equals to 3. This implies y equals to 3 cross 2. This will go here. Therefore y equals to 5. Okay. This is one pattern of question. See another one. Suppose I have a question 2 by root x. Look at another question 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2. Then 4 by root x plus not plus minus 9 by root y 9 by root y equals to minus 1. Okay, now guess what substitution you have to take here. Just look at this question for 1 minute. This pattern of question what to do now. So you will take 1 by root x. 1 by root x equals to u. 1 by root x equals to u. And 1 by root y equals to v. What in the denominator see? Observe it, then you take as u and v. So this will be 2u. This will be 3v equals to equation number 1. This is 4u minus 9v equals to minus 1. Now equalize. Best method 4u multiply here, 2u multiply here. Equalized. Look here 4 2 is 8u, 12v equals to 8. Then 8u minus 18v equals to minus 2. Now subtract. This will be minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. 12 plus 18 is 30v. 30v equals to 8 plus to 10. So v equals to 10 by 30. Cancel. V equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Now putting the value of v. Putting the value of v in one of the equation. Suppose I take the first one. Which one is first one? This one. 2u plus 3v equals to 2. So 2u 3 into 1 by 3 equals to 2. This is easier. So 3 is cancelled. Now 2u plus 1 equals to 2. 1 will go this side. 2u equals to 2 minus 1. U equals to 1 by 2. Okay, you got u here. You got v here. But you have to back to your question. What substitution you have taken? You have taken there. Now 1 by root x equals to u. So 1 u is ours. Now 1 by 2. So 1 by root x equals to 1 by 2. First you find root x reciprocal. Root x equals to its reciprocal is 2. From root x how to get x? Now you have to square both the sides. So you write down squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. Root x square is 2 square. Implies root x square will be root over square cancel x. 2 square is 4. Similarly, and 1 by root y equals to v. Means 1 by root y is 1 by 3. Reciprocal again. So reciprocal how much will gain? Root y equals to 3. From root y I have to get like from root x what you are doing? Squaring. Again you square here. The root y square equals to 3 square. Therefore y equals to 9. Okay. Try to solve some more questions given in our textbook. I'll repeat the questions again tomorrow. Different questions.